Mwiriwe bene data, tubahaye ikaze uyu munsi ku gicaniro cy'umuryango. Imirongo y'ibyanditswe yakuwe muri Bibiliya yera ndetse n'imirongo migufi yakuwe mu bibwiriza byabwirijwe na mwene data William Mario Branham hagati y'umwaka w'igihumbi 947 n'igihumbi 965. Mu gihe muri kumvira ijambo ry'Imana, turizera ko muri buhabwe umugisha. Abatesalonike ba mbere igice cya 4 umurongo wa 3 kugera kwa 7. Icyo Imana ishaka ni iki? Ni ukwezwa kwanyu no kwirinda gusambana, ngo umuntu wese muri mwe amenye gutegeka umubiri we wezwe ufite icyubahiro, mudatwarwa n'irari ryo kurigira nk'abapagani batazi Imana, kandi ngo umuntu wese areke kurengera cyangwa kuriganya mwene se kuri ibyo, kuko umwami wacu ahora inzigo y'ibyo byose nk'uko twabanje kubabwira no kubahamiriza. Imana ntiyaduhamagariye kwanduzwa, ahubwo yaduhamagariye kwezwa.
We've been a great nation. We've been a great people. We've been a great church. We've been a great everything. But I'll tell you, everything mortal has to give away. And the time is at hand.
Twabaye igihugu gikomeye. Twabaye ubwoko bukomeye. Twabaye itorero rikomeye. Twabaye buri kintu cyose gikomeye. Ariko reka mbabwire, ikintu cyose gipfa kigomba gutanga, kandi igihe kiri bugufi.
I'll tell you, everything is at hand. The world has become to one great big chaos of this corruption and speak before God.
Kandi igihe kiregereje ndababwiye, ikintu cyose kizingiye muri cyo, kandi isi yahindutse akaga gakomeye kanini k'ibyaha n'ibintu binuka imbere y'Imana.
This nation is whiskey drinking, beer drinking, and our taxes is paid on this whiskey stuff which supports our nation and its blood money.
Iki gihugu kinywa whisky, kinywa inzoga, kandi imisoro yacu yishyuwe muri whisky n'ibintu bifasha iki gihugu n'amafaranga yacyo y'amaraso.
If you think it's wrong to drink whiskey and you say leave it alone, preacher, you ought to say something about drinking. It's our American right. I know it's your American right, but it's not your heavenly right.
Niba utekereza ko kunywa whisky ari ikosa, maze ukavuga uti bireke, uburiza butumwa ntiwagakwiye kugira icyo uvuga ku kunywa inzoga. Ni uburenganzira bwacu bwa Kinyamerika. Nzi ko ari uburenganzira bwanyu bwa Kinyamerika, ariko si uburenganzira bwanyu bwo mu ijuru.
If you're willing before God, you will in your heart forfeit every filthy right that you have to serve the Lord, and will purpose in your heart that you will not defile yourself with the things of the world.
Kandi mwene data, niba ushaka imbere y'Imana, ukaba ushaka mu mutima wawe guhara uburenganzira bwose bwanduye ufite, ugahitamo gukorera umwami, ukaba ufite intego mu mutima wawe yuko utaziyandurisha ibintu by'isi.
You say, Brother Branham, other Christians smoke, why can't I smoke? You might have a right to smoke as an American citizen, but you have not the right to do it as a Christian.
Unavuga muti, mwene data Branham, abandi bakristo banywa itabi. Kuki nge ntanywa itabi? Ushobora kugira uburenganzira bwo kunywa itabi nk'umunyamerika, ariko nta burenganzira ufite bwo kubikora nk'umukristo.
Because it's a stumbling block in the pilfer's way. That's exactly right. You shouldn't do it. You're a stumbling block. All these other things. You're dressing. Say, well, the rest of the women, they dress like this. The other girls, they dress like this. They do this. Why can't I do it?
Kubera ko ari ibuye risitaza mu nzira y'undi muntu. Ibyo ni ukuri neza neza, kandi ntugomba kubikora. Ubushyizeho ibuye risitaza. Ibintu byose n'imyambarire yanyu muravuga muti ni byiza. Abagore bose bambara nka gutya, n'abandi bakobwa bambara gutya, bakora ibi. Kubera iki nanjye ntabikora?
I know it's your American right. The law don't say I can't do it. I know that. It don't say hardly anything. You can do anything you want to. That's right, just about anything. But brother, it's not in a Christian's heart to do that.
Nzi ko ari uburenganzira bwanyu bw'Abanyamerika. Itegeko ntirivuga ko ntashobora kubivuga. Ibyo ndabizi. Ntacyo mvuga mu buryo bukomeye. Ushobora gukora icyo ari cyo cyose ushaka, ariko mwene data, ntabwo biri mu mutima w'umukristo gukora ibyo ngibyo.
If you'll purpose in your heart that you'll live clean and pure before God, nature itself will teach you that those things are wrong. But here we are. We come into this place. What is?
Nuramuka ugambiriye mu mutima wawe kuzabaho wera kandi udafite icyasha imbere y'Imana, ibyaremwe ubwabyo bizakwigisha ko ibyo bintu ari amakosa. Ariko dore aho turi.
It's because we're at the inroad. Purpose in your heart tonight. Never no more. Never no more. As long as the world stands or as long as you live, that you'll never defile yourself anymore with the potion of the American way of life. Yes, sir.
Tuza muri uyu mwanya. Niki? Ni ukubera ko turi ku musozo w'urugendo. Ugambire mu mutima wawe iri joro kutazongera igihe cyose isi ihagaze cyangwa igihe cyose uriho utaziyandurisha ingirwamibereho y'Abanyamerika uko babyita.
American way of life so called. Now the old American way of life was fine. Be neighborly and honest and so forth, that's good. But this modern way of your nakedness and drinking and carousing and separation and marrying and intermarrying and all this nonsense.
Noneho uburyo bwa kera bwa Kinyamerika bwo kubaho bwari bwiza, kubana neza n'ubunyangamugayo n'ibindi, ibyo ni byiza. Ariko ubu buryo bugezweho bwo kwambara ubusa kwanyu no kunywa inzoga no kuborerwa no gutandukana no gushakana no gushyingirana n'ibi bidafite umumaro byose. Ugambirire mu mutima wawe kwirinda ibyo byose igihe cyose ukiriho.